whether you are starting your career as an analyst or you want to practice some database queries, it is very convenient to download a sample database and then run the queries on top of that instead of creating everything from scratch. So in this video, we will see how you can download a sample database for Postgres. We will go through the process of downloading a sample database from one of the sources, but then there are a lot of sources available on internet. I will share some of the links or some of the sources which are available in the description, but in this video we will cover one source and the process will be same if you want to download the data from other sources as well, right? So let's get into the process. To download a sample database, you can go to a website, something like this. You can just search for you can simply search for Postgres sample database, okay, and it will give you some links. You can follow any one of them. So in this case we are going with the first one, so I already have this open. This particular database sample or data set is about a DVD rental, let's say you can say a DVD rental shop, where you can get all the details about the database. The best part of downloading a sample database is that it will give you all kinds of objects. So if you will have to, like, if you were to create the database from scratch, you will obviously just put tables or views. But then if you download a sample, like in this case, as you see, we have like 15 tables, a trigger, we have views as well, functions, domain, and 13 sequences as well. So you can practice your queries on all of these, right? Now to download this dataset, you can just scroll down. You can scroll down, and here you will find a download DVD rental sample database. You can just click on this and it will download the file. So you can just go to this folder and right click on this and extract all, and we will go inside the folder. Inside this you will have a .tar file, right? Now to upload this tar file into PostgreSQL server, you can just go to the pg admin page, and here let's say this is my connection, and right now I have only one database. So I'll just right click and say create new database. I will call it as, like, let's say DVD rental. You can give any name that you want, so I'll just keep this name same as the sample database and then click save. Now once you click on save, you can see that right now if I show you, I don't have any tables, right? There are no tables, no views, nothing. So what we will do is we will right click on the DVD rental database or the database that you created, and here you will say restore. Okay, so in this case you will select the option for custom or tar file, okay, from the drop down custom or tar file, and then we'll go to our file location. And then I'm inside my download and DVD rental folder. Here it is not showing the file, so if it is happening same for you, you can just select all files in the options and then it will show you .tar file. Open this and you are good to go. So now just click restore and done. Okay, here you will see that the process is done. And then now if you just right click and refresh, then go down and select the schema, select tables, and here you will see all sorts of tables are created. So we have tables, we have got triggers created, we have got views created, everything is created. Now to run a query, you can just select on any of the table, right click and say query tool, and then let's say I would say simply select star from you can put the table name or you can just drag the table name from here and put it here. Okay, and if I run this, I have my data populated. Okay, so with this so like this we have seen how can we download a sample database from Postgres. At this point we are done. I will repeat, we are completely done and you can continue with your practice. But then just for your knowledge, there is another way of uploading a database from query as well, right? If I can show you, if I extract this tar file manually, you will see that I have the SQL file, right? So I get a SQL file. So my point is, in case you don't have a tar file, you just get the SQL file directly. How you can upload your data using SQL file is, again, same, create a new database, Let's say we will create a, new database and we'll just name it as dvd2 and create. Okay, and then again right click and restore. This time instead of tar file we can select a directory where our SQL file resides, and then we can just navigate to the directory and this one. Okay, if you see, our file is inside downloads, DVD rental and DVD rental, right? Downloads, DVD rental, DVD rental. So downloads, DVD rental, DVD rental, we'll select this folder and we are done. And if I click restore, and you can see the restoration is done, and you can just expand the schema and tables and you are done. So you can, okay, so the point is you can restore data from both compressed file as well as SQL files. Okay, so with this you can download data from any sources. Now I'll share the link of other sources in the description. So just go ahead, download any of the sources and practice all the queries you want. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.